Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove a rear view mirror from a Honda Civic EK. So first of all, you need to take this trim, and from the side that closest to the windshield you need to push it towards the back seat. So that's it. You can see it's connected with a wire, but you can leave it loose. And here we have a free Phillips screws that we need to undo, and that's it. This is how you disassemble the rear view mirror from EK Honda Civic. Thank you very much. If you need more parts for EK Honda Civic, please contact us with the email in the description below. If the video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos on how to disassemble Honda Civic parts, please subscribe. Thank you very much.